focus, just to focus on the books. So if you see me like me, I'm still playing, but I just don't want to talk because I'd be rather silent sometimes. Just to make me like silent and make you guys just like watch watch the whole game with like out sound. Well, only the sound from the game if it shows, because I'm using this app that was from YouTube. And it's like the video recorder where it showed like Poppy. Anyway, I don't know if this does it good, but I'm trying this new app because like I don't think I have any videos, but I'm making this video now. And okay, I'm so confused. I need to log in. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna touch this one. Bro, I'm so honestly, I guys watch this. I am so cringe. I'm just like feeling tired right now. I have to go to bed soon, so I'll end it right there. I'll end it right there when I have to go to bed. But I can see you guys. I could probably do another video tomorrow. And I'll see you guys later. Let's continue playing. Like it's barely 4-1, right? Like I cannot stop playing. Gosh, I'm talking a lot. I'm sorry. I keep talking a lot. I'm like a talker, and I keep talking. I'm just gonna shut my mouth. Shut my mouth for a little bit. Thank you, Dandy. Free eggs! I made a dial paint them. Oh wow, I just checked right now and this video is like going on for like, hold up, let me just check quick. 6 seconds and 34. What? Bro, I mean I keep stuttering. I agree with my friend. They said, I just love how Dandy forces dial to move. I love it. Dandy is like a forceful guy. He's like so innocent. He's innocent, but he'll force them to do something. Like the holidays. Like the cookies from Christmas and now the eggs from Easter, which are like this April. There's going to be dual machines and there's going to be tune of the week where there's a golden skin, a sticker, and a